Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download free music from YouTube. Let's get started. So if you are a YouTube content creator, you'll often need background music for your video. Luckily, YouTube provides a free audio library with tons of songs and sound effects you can use, no copyright issues at all. So open up your browser and then in the search bar search for youtube.com. Once you search for it, sign into your account. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon, then select YouTube Studio. Just like that inside here, look at the menu on your left hand side, scroll below, then tap on Audio Library. This is where all of your free music is stored. Now you'll see a big list of songs and sound effects. You can play them by pressing on the little pause or play button on your left. And if you like a song, simply tap on download right over here, and then it will be saved on your computer. To find perfect sound, you can either use the search bar or use the search or filter library. Filter by genre, mood, or filter by attributions. If a track says attributions required, make sure to include artist name in your video descriptions. And that's it. Now you know how you can download free copyright-safe music from YouTube audio library for your videos. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.